Hey there everybody, Mark Crilley back here with another how to draw tutorial. I've drawn chibi styled anime cat girls before, but during these stressful times I've decided to do a new tutorial, but this time adding an anime styled mask. Speaking of the great pestilence, I hope those of you at home who have been following this channel have decided to support this channel by purchasing Brody's Ghost, Mickey Falls, and my Mastering Manga series. That's Mastering Manga 1 and 2. I'm proud to announce that those of you who have chosen to purchase these items will not be perishing in this plague. Over the years, I've not just mastered manga and the art of chibi anime girls, but I've also mastered several ninjutsus that are perfect for this exact situation. I will be sending anime-styled vibes to those of you who have supported this channel over the years. However, those of you who have refused to support this channel by purchasing Brody's Ghost, Mickey Falls, and my Mastering Manga books, that's Mastering Manga 1 and 2, will have no such guarantees. Subscribing and leaving a like is not enough. As many of you do know, the bookstores are now closed, and there is no way for you to purchase my books. I'm afraid to say it's too late. I would wish you the best, but I'm channeling those wishes to those who have actually supported this channel. Well now, with that out of the way, let us begin this chibi-styled anime cat girl wearing a mask tutorial.